7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about Near Protocol. Near Protocol is an altcoin currently ranked number 21 on CoinMarketCap. At the point of recording this video, you can get one for $6.26. Guys, road to $30. Can Near Protocol get to $30? In this video, we're looking at Near Protocol versus the US dollar. Also looking at Near Protocol versus Bitcoin and Near Protocol versus Ethereum. Then we'll look at the Near Protocol market cap chart, and then we'll finally look at the Near Protocol dominance chart. Can Near Protocol go back to its all-time high? Can it get to as high as $30? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Near Protocol is currently ranked number 21 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization at the point of recording of this video, guys, of $4.3 billion. It has a circulating supply of 696 million coins, and that's 70% of the total supply. And the maximum supply of Near Protocol is 1 billion tokens. And it has a fully diluted market cap of $6.2 billion. In the last 1 year, it has gone as low as $1.55 and as high as $20.42. What is Near Protocol? Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform, and that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bugging competing blockchain, such as low transaction fee. And guys, looking at the Near Protocol price chart, you can see that Near Protocol has come from as low as $0.5 and it has gone as high as $20. Now, can it get to $30? That's what we'll be talking about in this video. At the point of recording of this video, guys, Near Protocol is up 91% in the last 1 year. It's down 58% in the last 1 month. It's down 7.7% in the last 1 week. It's currently going for $6.3. Now, for those guys that got Near Protocol here in 2020, you can see that Near Protocol is not an old coin. It has just been in existence since October, November 2020 till now, at point of recording of this video, which is May 2022. Since then, it has returned over 10x for those guys that invested at the bottom. That's at 4th November 2020. And at the top of the market, and their investment returned over 3,700%. Guys, this is actually good returns, but for a new project like Near Protocol, I feel like there's still more room for it to run. Right now, Near Protocol is going for $6.3. For it to get to its previous all-time high, it has to go up over 223%. And for it to get to that $30 mark where we're thinking it will get to in the future, it has to go up over 381%. Can it do that? Hell yeah, guys, it can do that. Looking at Near Protocol price history, you can see that from November to 13th March 2021, it went up over 1,300%. In just 129 days, it went up over 1,300%. A $1,000 investment here in Near Protocol returned over $13,000 here at the top. Now, the market tanks in March, April, May until like July, and it went down as low as 79%, and this was during the bull run. So in the bull run, Near Protocol lost over 79% of its valuation on the dollar pairing, and after that we still pumped again. People thought it was over right here. It got to as low as 1.5 from the high that it set, which was around that $7 region. It set that high in March 2021. When it got to 1.5, it still went and set another new all-time high, topping in 15th January 2022, and it went up as high as 1,100% in another 181 days. So Near Protocol has experienced like 2 bull run officially. The first one he had here from November to 2021, that's March 2021. Then from the second one he had from July 2021 till January 2022. Now, when will the next Near Protocol bull run happen? You can see that from that top is down 73%. It came to as close as setting a new top here in April. It looked as if it was going to set a new all-time high, but it just actually turned on itself when it was approaching $19. And since then, it's actually down 72%. Remember, the last time it went this high, it came down around 79%. Around 78-79%. So if it comes down around 78-79% before we start pumping for Near Protocol, we'll see Near Protocol probably get to down as low as maybe $4. And right now we're at $6. For it to get to $4, we have to dump lower. I'm not saying it's going to dump. It looks as if we're in a bear market right now. For us to pump, we need to see Bitcoin actually pumping into new all-time highs. And Bitcoin right now is currently in a very, very crucial point in time. Bitcoin is currently holding $30,000 at the point of recording this video. So for us to see Near Protocol hitting that $30 region, we need to see Bitcoin going maybe on its retracement or setting a new all-time high. The Fibonacci extension tool is telling us that on the price chart that Near Protocol has not gotten to the upper end of his band. For it to get to the upper end, he has to break that $25-26 region. That will be around the region where I'll be looking to sell some Near Protocol. If I have some, from where we are right now to that region, we'll have to pump around a 300% pump. A 300% pump is actually really crazy if you consider that from the bottom of the market for Near Protocol, if it gets to its previous all-time high, it's up over 3,600%, and if it gets to its full extension on the Fibonacci extension tool that I just drew right here, it will be up over 4,700%. And guys, after this kind of monster run, you expect the coins to dump. And if we're in the bear market right now, worst case scenario for Near Protocol is that Near Protocol can come as low as losing 90% of its valuation against the US dollar. And 90% of its valuation against the US dollar will see us going to as low as where we were in July last year. Is it possible for us to go back to $1 on Near Protocol, $1.8? It's very, very possible. It's crypto. Everything is possible. But guys, another reason why I believe Near Protocol might go to $30 in the future is if we can break new all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing. Right now, since on the bottom of Near Protocol against Bitcoin, which happened on the 21st of December 2020, Near Protocol bottomed against Bitcoin that day. You can see that Near Protocol gained over 1,200% against Bitcoin in just over a year. Right now, it's still up over 495% against Bitcoin. So if you flipped your Bitcoin for some Near Protocol right here, so if you flip your Bitcoin for some Near Protocol at this point in time, you should still be up over 495% against Bitcoin. Well, guys, can it set new lows? Yes, it can set new low, because we're in a bear market. You expect most of these altcoins to lose their valuation against Bitcoin, and we've seen many altcoins do this in the bull run. They'll gain value against Bitcoin in the bear market. They'll lose over 98-99% of that value against Bitcoin. And if Near Protocol is going to lose around 97-98% of its value against Bitcoin, and we'll have to see Near Protocol setting a new all-time low on its Bitcoin pairing. Now, this is not all bad news for Near Protocol. I believe this will happen in the bear market for Near Protocol, but for us to set a new all-time high, for us to get to that $30 region, we'll have to set a new all-time high on the Bitcoin pairing. That means Near Protocol will have to outperform Bitcoin. So you want to see Bitcoin actually kind of pumping, and if Bitcoin is pumping, you want to see Near Protocol pumping faster, because during the pump phase of the crypto market, a lot of these altcoins pump faster than Bitcoin. But guys, the drawback to that is that during the down phase of the market, they actually dump harder than Bitcoin. We hold this support. We are hoping the support will hold for Near Protocol right here. If it doesn't hold, the next support might be launch date, where Near Protocol launch against Bitcoin. That might be the next place we might dump to. We want to see that support hold if we're going to go to $30. Guys, even on the Ethereum pairing, Near Protocol is actually holding well on the Ethereum pairing. You can see this was the launch date for it on the Ethereum pairing on the 12th of October 2020. Since then, it's just down only 29% against Ethereum. Yes, it has massive swings to the downside. It dumped over 80% against Ethereum, but what did it do after that? It went up and gained another 600% against Ethereum. So it's holding up well against Ethereum. If you want to see an all-time high for Near Protocol, if you want to see Near Protocol get to over $30, we need to set a new all-time high on the Ethereum pairing. That would be very wonderful to see. But right now, if we're in a bear market, you expect Near Protocol to lose valuation against Ethereum, because Ethereum is one of those altcoins that won't actually dump like the rest of the altcoin market. Ethereum and Bitcoin are the two strongest cryptocurrencies in the market. During the bear market, they used to hold on very, very well. But guys, even in the last bear market, Bitcoin dropped 83% and Ethereum dropped over 90%. So no any altcoin is safe if we're in a bear market. So if we want to see all-time highs for Near Protocol in the distant future, we'll have to see it set a new all-time on the Ethereum pairing. Will it do it right now? Only time will tell. Guys, looking at the Near Protocol market cap chart, it's showing us that there's growth. There have been growth in Near Protocol since where the market cap chart actually bottomed 26th of October 2020, and this was when Near Protocol was still going for less than $1 million. Guess what? After that, it had a wonderful pump. Right now, the market valuation for Near Protocol is around $3.4 billion, which is very, very crazy to see. Will it continue increasing in value? Guys, it tops around the market capitalization for Near Protocol tops around that $12 billion. Can it go back and break that all-time high for it? Only time will tell. But guys, another important factor is that we only have 70% of the coins in circulation. So what will happen when those remaining 30% are coming into the market? You expect that they will add to the market cap, and when they add to the market cap, will the price increase with that? only time will tell. But right now, the market cap is at the crucial point. If we need this $4.3 billion to hold for Near Protocol on the market cap chart, if it doesn't hold, we might dump lower to that $2.2 billion region. For us to set a new all-time high, for us to go to $30, we have to see a new all-time high on the market cap chart. That means Near Protocol have to be valued around maybe $20, $30 billion for us to reach that amount of valuation. Can it do that? Yes, it can do that. This is still a fairly new project. It's still early in the valuation days, but guys, the bear market usually is brutal to a lot of these coins, and if we're in a bear market, I'll expect worst case scenario for Near Protocol is that we might probably get to as low as $1.6. Yes, I'm not spreading forward right now. Should we be accumulating some Near Protocol at these prices? Maybe, but you want to wait for the clear sign for Bitcoin. You want to see Bitcoin strongly in an uptrend. You want to know that the bull market is back on, if we're going to see those prices for Near Protocol. Right now it's still at $6.26. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2